In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload mails in Mailerlite. First, let's get started inside your Mailerlite account. Go ahead and log in using your usual details. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the menu option labeled Subscribers. This is where all of your email contacts are managed. Click on that tab to open your subscribers area. Think of this page as your central hub for adding, organizing, and tracking everyone on your email list. Next, we're going to start the actual import. In the subscribers area, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button that says Add Subscribers. Click that button and Mailerlite will give you a few different ways to bring in your contacts. Take a second here to decide which option makes the most sense for you based on where your emails are currently stored. You'll usually see three main methods. The first is using a CSV or TXT file. This is ideal if you already have your contacts exported from another system or saved from a spreadsheet. Simply drag and drop the file into the upload area, or click to browse your computer and select the file manually. Before you do this, it's a good idea to quickly check that your file has clear column headers, like email and name, to make mapping easier in the next step. The second method is copy and paste. If your contacts are already open in Excel or Google Sheets, you can select the relevant columns, copy them, and then paste directly into the box Mailerlite provides. This is handy for smaller lists or quick updates without having to save a separate file. The third method is importing from MailChimp. If you're moving from MailChimp to Mailerlite, choose this option and follow the prompts to connect your MailChimp account. Mailerlite will then pull in your existing lists for you. After choosing your method and uploading your data, Mailerlite will display the columns it found. This is the field mapping step. Here you match each column from your file to the correct Mailerlite field, such as email, name, or any custom fields you use. If there are columns you don't need, simply skip them so they aren't imported. Once everything looks correct, click Import Subscribers or Finish Import to finalize. Mailerlite will process your data and then show you a summary of the results, including how many subscribers were added and whether any were skipped due to issues like duplicates or invalid addresses. And that's it. Your emails are now uploaded and ready to use in your Mailerlite campaigns.